Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about best AI tools for creating presentations, and this would be Presentations AI. Now this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end also. For this video, we're going to utilize this one to create a presentation of our liking. Now before we get started for this one, you should have a dummy Google account. For example, any Google account will do, and then I'll see you once inside. Now welcome back to the video. This is going to be inside of the Presentations AI once you're logged in using any dummy Google account. And you'll see the first part here would be the prompt bar. I always call this one the prompt bar, so just enable a prompt here, click enter, submit, and then AI will give you the one you're looking for. Before we get into it, let's check out the features here. So for this one, you're going to have an information, so a prompt is a description. So tips for a good prompt: be specific, be flexible, and include details. And then there's going to be samples there. For example, create a presentation about the benefits of renewable energy. You can choose how many slides you want, but for 20 slides up to 30, that would be for the paid subscription plan. And then for the language, you can change it here. I'm just going to make sure I'm going to go for English. And then for the website URL, for example, you want to have a specific website added to your presentation, please click this button right there. This should be entering your website to automatically load your logo and brand colors for an on-brand presentation. Of course, if there's going to be a website, there's also an option to add some content specifically. Now for this video, I'm going to try first creating a raw from scratch presentation. And that being said, I think I'm going to go for this one. So I'm going to create a pitch deck or create a presentation about the benefits of renewable energy. So that will be create a presentation about the benefits of renewable energy. So basically for this one, that's going to be a very simple prompt. And basically for that, I'm going to click on submit. So I'm going to get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. It's still not here though, because you're going to tailor fit our liking based on our presentations. So first things first, it's going to ask again for a website URL. I'm going to leave that as a blank, but if you have a website, please add it here. So with the presentation title, I'm going to go for benefits of renewable energy. I'm going to add my name there, my name of my channel. So introduction will be this one. You can edit every part here. For example, the introduction is going to be editable, the key benefits, the case studies, challenges, feature trends, and conclusion. I'm going to edit everything here as I see fit. However, take note that whatever you write here would not be the content. You'll notice on the conclusion side that this is actually a prompt. It's not the content itself. So for the conclusion, I'm going to summarize the benefits and reinforce the importance of transitioning to renewable energy. So once this presentation is done, they won't see this exact phrase. Rather, Presentations AI will create some content based on this prompt. Take note about that one. So I'm going to click on generate outline and I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. So this is basically our outline wherein you can interchange the slides there. You can even change the description, what's inside, delete them by that button right there, change the slide number, and basically have your fun with it. You can also change the color palette here. For example, I'm going to go for deep orange. The fonts there, I'm going to go for Laro. Again, you can still add your website URL here. Advanced setting gives us the option to make sure if for the slide content density is small, medium, or large. I'm going to remain at medium, so concise length suited for simple explanations. Great presentation right there, and this will be the part I'm going to get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. So this is going to be a presentations made from scratch. You can play slideshow or start editing. But for now, I'm going to play the slideshow and let's all look at it. Alright, so I'm just going to remain as it is here because I don't want to take much of your time, but as I move on there, this is going to be the presentation, right? So in here, without going back on the dashboard, you can share your presentation on this button right there. The settings are right here. If you want to animate your slide, autoplay, draw inside it, speaker view, or exit full screen will be right there. An option right here would be transcribing this to your PowerPoint presentation. As you can see right there, if this PowerPoint presentation should be inside your PowerPoint application that is for the paid subscription. Speaking about the paid subscription, these are going to be the prices. So we have the Pro and most popular team as of now, so please check them out. Now what can we have here? you can edit everything here. First thing you'll notice is the remix option. If I click on this one, it will give me an option to change the design or theme. For example, I want to go for this one, full image cover. Apply and exit, and I have that one within a few seconds. Templates right there. If you want to apply a specific template on your presentation, simply click on select. And that being said, that will be applied in your presentation in a matter of minutes. Perfectly right there. Settings right there gives you the option to work around. The stickers right here, the notes, analytics basically is for the paid subscription. Anyway, for that one gives you how much is the view of your presentation. And basically for that one, I think we covered mostly everything inside this one. Take note, you can share it again by this button right there. Embed, social media, share a link, or export to a PowerPoint presentation. Take note, if you want to export this one as a PowerPoint, please pay for the paid subscription. Take note about that one. And now, since this presentation was made via prompt, if I click on new here, I can import a PDF or beautify your PowerPoint presentation or redesign an existing PowerPoint within Deck AI. For this one, I'm going to import a PDF or Word document. And for this one, you can upload a file or enter a URL. However, since we're using the free trial, I'm going to go for the browse file here. I'm just specifically looking for this one. I'm going to go for that one right there and basically wait for it to happen. So basically, it's going to be asking us what would you like to do. Of course, first things first, choose a slide. I'm going to go for a number of 5 for this one. English is the one for me, and then convert this to a documentary into a summary deck or transform it into this for choices. I'm gonna go for the conversion right there, and that's creating my outline as of now. As you can see right here, it's being created. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. So this is entirely the same process as earlier. You can change your slide right here, change the color of your liking, and basically repeat everything we did from earlier, but this one, we did it via a file we created from earlier. And right now it's being created as of now, real time. This will only take a few seconds, and there we have it. As you can see in the background, it's being created perfectly right there. We even have tables, and I'm gonna click on play slideshow right here, and then move over to the slides right there so you guys can see it real time. As you can see right here, everything is created without a matter of minutes. It didn't even took us 30 minutes, right? So this is really helpful if you're in a rush creating a presentation on your work or anything else. Take note guys, this is still gonna be a free trial and you can edit stuff here. For example, the animation will be right there, the theme, the settings, anything is for you. Now speaking of, if you want to download this one, make sure this is only accessible as a PDF. This is gonna be as images, share a link, embed, and social media. And this still cannot be downloaded as a PowerPoint presentation because that option is for the paid subscription. Now before we wrap things up, let's check on the features right here. We have the layouts, change how it looks like, basically by your own choosing, and explore some more stuff here. These are the credits that would be depleted once you use it and refresh it every day. We have the notifications right here. You can invite your team members by clicking this one, but that is for the paid subscription plan. Anyway, for that one, I think we covered most of it. Going back to the dashboard, you can check your documents, shared by me, share with me, or published, and everything is gonna be right here. You can have your orders right there and basically create this one as a project management application. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.